Welcome dear student in our online channel of Others Education Society. Dear student, due to the pandemic conditions of COVID-19, our institute has started the online lectures. I am your math lecturer AVINASH SHRIVASTAV. Today we will discuss about the first topic of 11th standard, angle and its measurement. Now the first topic is directed angle. Our first topic is directed angle. As student, you are aware about the angles like 60-degree angle, 90-degree angle. Here we have to discuss about some different form of the angle. Now to understand the topic of directed angle, let us draw a ray OA. Now if we rotate this ray through some angle till to ray OB, then the formed shape is known as the directed angle, where the ray OA is said to be initial arm. Why this is called the initial arm? Because we have started the sense of rotation from this ray, and the ray OB is said to be terminal or rotational arm. Why this is called the terminal or rotational arm? Because we end our sense of rotation at this arm. Now as you know that the angle is totally depend upon the sense of rotation, so on the basis of sense of rotation the angles are divided in two parts. One is called positive angle and another one is called negative angle. Let us try to understand the concept of positive angle and negative angle. Let us draw another ray OA dash. Now if we are taking the sense of rotation towards anti-clockwise direction, again I repeating, if our sense of rotation towards anti-clockwise direction, then the formed angle is said to be positive angle. Suppose here the measurement of angle is theta, so we will call theta is positive angle, and the OA dash is said to be initial arm. This is very important. You should understand about the initial arm and also rotational or terminal arm. Here OB dash is said to be terminal arm. Since the positive angle, for the positive angle the sense of rotation should be in anti-clockwise direction, so for the negative angle the sense of rotation should be in clockwise direction. Here you can clearly see that OA is our initial ray, and from the initial ray or initial arm, from the OA double dash we took the sense of rotation toward the clockwise direction. So if I am saying theta is the measurement of the angle, then the theta will be called as a negative angle. And here again you can say OB dash is our terminal arm. So again I repeating the topics. The directed angle generally formed by the initial arm and as well as the terminal arm, where initial arm is that arm from which we started the sense of rotation, and terminal arm is that arm where we close the sense of rotation. On the basis of sense of rotation, the angles are divided in two subparts, positive angle as well as the negative angle. Positive angle is that angle in which the sense of rotation is towards the anti-clockwise direction, and negative angle is that angle in which the sense of rotation towards the clockwise direction. The next topic is zero angle. Students, there are few types of angle that you have to study in this chapter. The first topic is zero angle. Angle for which there is no sense of rotation. In other words, we can say if the initial and terminal arm both are represented by same ray, then it is called the zero angle. It is easy to understand. If there is no sense of rotation has started from the initial arm, then the angle is called the zero angle. I hope you understood. Now, the next one is straight angle. For straight angle, I think you know about the 180-degree angle. How can we form the 180-degree angle? Taking ray OA and consider this ray as an initial arm. Now, taking the sense of rotation towards anti-clockwise or clockwise direction. Now, completed half cycle rotation and consider ray OB as terminal arm. Now you can see clearly here the point O is our center of initial and terminal arm, and the direction of the initial arm and the terminal arms are opposite to each other. And one more thing, you have to consider that the initial arm and the terminal arm both are lies on the same line, right? So to understand the straight angle, you can take the example of 180 positive angle, 180 degree positive angle, or you can take the example of 180 degree negative angle. Suppose this is our initial ray OA and OB is our terminal ray or terminal arm. Now consider O as a center point of initial arm as well as the terminal arm. This is our initial arm and this is our terminal arm. Now, since we have to form the negative angle, negative 180-degree angle, so our sense of rotation should be in clockwise direction, and of the same measurement of 180-degree angle, we can form the negative 180-degree angle. So these are the examples of the straight angle. Straight angles, the angles in which the initial arm and the terminal arm both are lies on the same line, but they are directed opposite to each other. I think you are most aware about this angle. You know that the 90-degree angle. So the 90-degree angle is called the right angle. Suppose OA is our initial arm and OB is our terminal. OB is our terminal arm. Now we can take the sense of rotation either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. Here I took the sense of rotation towards the anti-clockwise direction. So this may be called the positive 90-degree angle. The one more important things of the right angle, that in right angle the initial and the terminal arm both are represented by the quadrantal axis. We will discuss about this topic, quadrantal angle, in this chapter. Later we will discuss about this topic. Now the next topic is one rotation angle. As you know that one cycle. So if we consider a ray as an initial arm, now through the point O, if you took the one complete cycle rotation, that is 360-degree angle, then the formed angle is known as the one rotation angle. You know that after completing one cycle rotation, we again reach to the same point or same line. So you can say the initial arm is working as a terminal arm also. So we can define the one rotation angle as a angle in which the terminal arm and the initial arm both are coincide, otherwise both are represented by the same line after completing one cycle rotation. To draw the one rotation angle, our sense of rotation may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Both direction will be applicable.